Use discount code JacobViral at Sky High, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Alright, so what's your name, man? What's in here?
My name's Connor Louvier, and we got two Wolfram Audio Platinums on a Sundown Salt 8K. On my mids and highs, I just have a RP75.4. I just have scores, pros all around in 3.5-inch tweeters in the front. MacMan 350 alternator, all OFC, silver tin wire.
Okay, very nice. Did you build this?
Me and my Marines buddies did, yeah.
Okay. Are you still working on sealing it?
Yeah, for sure. I'm still working on sealing it. It's just something to get ready for the show.
Yes, sir. Looks good so far, man.
Thank you.
And you said this is this a what kind of bandpass enclosure?
This is a 6-order.
Okay.
It's actually a 6-order. Bottom tune to 30 hertz, top tune to about 60, so we're about an octave.
Got it. Nice. Looks good.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. And amp, is the big amp in the back?
Yes.
I'll see it afterward. Okay. I'd love to see the amps in the back, man.
I'm slightly louder, but not by much.
Nice. So what is this wire to?
One ohm.
One ohm, okay.
But it's sitting about 0.7 right now.
Awesome.
I'm looking on getting it ling long, so.
Okay. How much is this lithium wise? Is it?
This is down for sound. I think they're 6 amp hours a piece.
Okay, got it. So 18 LTO. Awesome. Thank you for the demo.
No problem.
Okay. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Alright, windows down, louder. Probably.
yeah.
I appreciate it. Yeah.
I feel like I'm out of shape. I'm drinking. You can't tell me. Pull up in the Porsche, that bitch to a nigga.
Up a little bit lower.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters here. If you want to become part of the channel supporter group, Check out the links in the description to do that. As well as, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at cardio sites such as Sky-High, Xplicit, DroppinHz, Limitless, etc. Links in the description for that. And last but not least, I'm also on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Go ahead and join and follow me at all of them, as well as thank y'all for watching again and hitting the like button like you always do for daily videos and subscribing. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget, check out these as well if you would like, and I'll see you all in the next video. Stay tuned for more.